Hi friends! Welcome back to our channel. This is Krishna. I'm 10 years old and I'm here with my little sister,
Gianna.
Yeah, she's 4 years old. Today we're going to be making a rainbow lollipop. This was so fun to draw, and as you can see, we've made a rainbow lollipop, but you can color your lollipop any color you'd like. If you would like to make this lollipop with us, you can keep on watching this video, and be sure not to forget to like and subscribe and share to all of your friends.
Ready, steady, go!
Alright, let's start drawing our lollipop.
Spot.
First, we're going to make a straight line. So
Lollipop string.
from here to here, we're going to make the stick of the lollipop.
That is a string.
A string. And then we're going to make another line followed by this line.
Why?
Because we're going to make it a little. Now we're going to connect both of those.
It's a big lollipop.
Yeah.
Boom. Boom.
Now we're going to make our lollipop, like the actual lollipop.
Yeah.
So we're going
For
to
eating.
make a circle.
I needed that paper lollipop.
Okay, we're going to make a circle.
Like,
Good job. Now we're going to I'll make you a dot here. Just don't do anything yet. We're going to make, from this dot, we're going to make little spirals. Until we connect. Right?
okay.
And try it. And you can stop. Yeah, good job. Now we're going to color our lollipops. This was an easy drawing, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So we're going to color our lollipops, and you can add as much detail as you want to your lollipop, right?
Yeah,
You can make it